Hello, this is checkpoint 2.11 from section 2.3. We're doing limit laws. It says here to use the limit laws to evaluate this limit as x approaches to 6 of 2x minus 1 times square root of x plus 4. In each step, indicate which limit law is being applied. All right, let's do this. And here's the original problem. And so first thing we're looking at is that there's a product. So it turns out that the limit of a product is the product of the limits, which is to say that this should equal to the limit as x approaches 6 of 2x minus 1 times the limit as x approaches 6 of the square root of x plus 4. Okay, so we'll make a note of that. We'll say the limit of products is the product of limits. Okay, so that's our first step. Now for this one, the sum or difference, the limit of a sum or difference is equal to the sum of difference of the limit. So we'll take this step and say limit as x approaches 6 of 2x minus limit as x approaches 6 of 1. And so that's that first part. And then we'll take it step by step. So let's leave this one as the limit as x approaches to 6 of still this thing. And so this is the only thing we did in this step, which is the product, the limit of a sum or difference. Limit of difference is the difference of limit. Okay. So now we can deal with this. Let's deal with this first. Let's say limit as x approaches 6 of, let's put the 2 out because it's a constant, and we just have limit as x approaches to 6 minus limit as x approaches to 6 of 1. Okay. And then this one stays the same. And then we can say that in this case, this is the limit of constant times the function is the constant times limit of the function. Okay, taking the constant out. All right, so now we can evaluate this limit, but let's deal with this under the square root. So we have 2 limit as x approaches to 6 of x. This is just going to be 6 times 2 minus limit as x approaches 6 of 1. So the limit of a constant is just whatever the constant's going to be. We'll fill that in. And then now let's take a look at this limit. The limit of a square root is a square root of limit. So that's the square root of limit as x approaches 6 of x plus 4. So limit of a root is root of the limit. And then now we can break this up as well. So with 2 limit as x approaches 6 of x minus limit as x approaches 6 of 1 times the square root of limit as x approaches 6 of x plus limit as x approaches 6 of 4. And this is again like the sum and difference. So limit of a sum is a sum of limit. Limit of sum is sum of limit. And I'm trying to use this as descriptive as possible, but you know, you can look at the list of the properties and just call it property 1, property 2, or whatever. All right, now let's evaluate one of the set of limits. Limit as x approaches to a of x is just going to be a. So this is going to be 6. Limit as x approaches 6 of 1. And then that's happening here as well. This is just going to be 6. Limit as x approaches 6 of 4. So that one is saying that the limit as x approaches a of x is going to equal a. And then one more limit law. 6, let's just keep this as is. This is 2 times 6 minus, this is just going to be 1 now. And this is going to be 4. And this is the law that says that limit as x approaches a constant, or a, limit as x approaches a of a constant. Doesn't matter what a is equal to. If this is a constant, then this is always going to be the same. And that's it. We just simplify. And we have this is 6 times 2 is 12. 12 minus 1 is 11. Square root of, and then this is going to be 6 plus 4 is 10. All right, so this is going to be 11 square root of 10, and that's just simplifying. All right, I think that's it. Good luck.